What's up, guys? It's Movie Horror here, back for another 4K Blu-ray unboxing video. It's a Steelbook for one of the brand new DC EU movies of 2020. It's about a specific Batman villain, and it's for Birds of Prey. The brand new Harley Quinn movie. It's a Best Buy exclusive Steelbook on 4K. So there's a front cover. There she is on the car. There's a spine. Then here's the back, and if you want to read the special features. Okay. Unfortunately, Steelbooks are sold out. But if you guys haven't gotten one, if you guys want to get one, try to get one if you're able to. Because this movie did really good in the box office, and Steelbooks went like that. Also a tip, when you're unboxing Steelbooks, be gentle. And if you're trying to cut it from here, be gentle, because you can kind of like scratch the Steelbook. And when it comes to me and Steelbooks, I'm very overprotective. Especially with DC and Marvel Steelbooks. There we go. Alright. So, here it is. Very nice. Let me remove the shrink wrap. The J card. If I can do this without easy as pie. Okay, so here it is. Very glossy. Like the shine on that Steelbook. There's Harley Quinn holding her breakfast sandwich. If you guys remember that scene from the movie. Here we go. Here's the back, which has a target. Okay. So, digital cop code for Birds of Prey. So here are the discs. So we got the 4K disc is pink. It's very cool. It has the HQ for Harley Quinn. Then the Blu-ray disc is green. Alright. I'm going to show you guys the inner artwork, which I absolutely love this inner artwork. So, here we go. Harley Quinn and her pet hyena. She's feeding him a Twizzler. You guys remember this scene from the movie. I'm actually glad they introduced her pet in this movie, because you guys remember the animated series, Joker and Harley Quinn have a pet hyena, but they have two. But in this movie it's just one, but that's fine. It's totally fine. Yeah, so that was my quick unboxing of the Best Buy exclusive 4K Blu-ray Steelbook of Birds of Prey. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, later, thank you, and also leave me a comment section below. Let me know what's your favorite Harley Quinn. Thank you.